Wealth Builders Collective Weekly Stock Market Recap. Week ending September 20th, 2025. Brought to you by MikePairMoney.com and the Biddles Investment Group. The group examined detailed stock analysis and trading strategies for companies including Tesla, Palantir, PLTR, and several others. Chart patterns, support and resistance levels, and potential trading opportunities were reviewed. The discussion concluded with insights into market cycles, economic indicators, and personal investment performance, with participants sharing strategies and goals for future meetings. Next steps. Monitor sector rotation from information technology, communications, and consumer discretionary into energy, utilities, and real estate. Verify whether assigned put options were allocated across different accounts. Summary. Market analysis. Participants reviewed weekly index and sector performance. Communications and consumer discretionary sectors performed well, while utilities and healthcare lagged. Multi-time frame analysis highlighted a rotation from technology and consumer discretionary into energy and utilities, stock performance, and trading strategies. Amazon's recent decline was discussed, with signs of stabilization after falling out of a channel. Strategies for trading Amazon inverse ETFs and accumulating shares were reviewed. Additional analysis included Broadcom, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Nvidia, Oracle, and Tesla, focusing on support resistance levels, moving averages, and historical patterns. Tesla stock entry opportunities. Tesla's price action was examined with emphasis on missed entry opportunities. Stair-step patterns and trading ranges were highlighted, including potential entries near $300 and $320. The discussion illustrated how real-time decisions differ from retrospective chart reviews, Tesla's strategic evolution and trading insights. Unusual options activity near the $60 level was noted as a potential trigger. Tesla's shift from vehicles toward robotics and AI was discussed, reframing the company as a technology leader rather than solely a car manufacturer. Concerns about automation, workforce impacts, and battery advancements were raised. The group emphasized focusing on price action over narratives when trading. Technical analysis and trading approaches. Palantir PL was analyzed with a double top pattern identified. Open Doors volatility was reviewed, highlighting a sharp drop and recovery. Strategies for trading options, rolling positions, and profit calculations were explained. Stock analysis and market insights. Other stocks discussed included BigBear.ai, BBI, BlackBerry, The Trade Desk, TTD, and Target. BlackBerry's role in autonomous vehicle security was highlighted. A potential government shutdown and the likelihood of Federal Reserve rate cuts in October were considered. Averaging into Target was discussed, with attention to its 5% yield and new CEO leadership. Market trends and opportunities. Target's declining sales, DEI backlash, and tariff uncertainty were noted as risks. Walmart was highlighted as a strong performer with upscale initiatives. Hotel stocks such as Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt were reviewed by valuation and technical strength. Airbnb's price weakness, Kroger's opportunities, and Uber's risk-reward setups were also analyzed. Intel's strategic and political future. Intel's strategy and Apple's investment were reviewed, with suggestions that political motivations may be influencing decisions. Optimism was expressed about Intel's leadership and government support, though questions remain about whether the company will improve its architecture or pivot to contract manufacturing. U.S. business-focused policies were compared with China's long-term investments. Cruise line investment strategies. Cruise line stocks, including Royal Caribbean RCL, Norwegian Cruise Lines NCLH, and Carnival CCL, were analyzed. Long-term range trading and re-entry strategies were discussed. Portfolio allocation strategies, such as 75% S&P 500 index and 25% trading account, were highlighted. Broader market and strategy discussions. Additional stocks reviewed included ELF, Wingstop, and Ulta. Technical setups and potential entries were considered. The session concluded with reflections on global market cycles, noting U.S. contraction signals versus expansion phases in China and Japan. Interest rate cut scenarios were debated, and participants agreed to prepare personal investment performance updates for the next meeting. Stay connected. If you found value in this recap, please like, share, and subscribe to stay informed and support our growing community. Your engagement means the world to us. Join our Wealth Builders membership. Thank you. The Mike Pear Money team.